Hello students, welcome back to class. This is Shahnaz Parveen here with your online class. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying your lesson at home. I am also fine. Dear student, we started a class on boys. We have already enjoyed 2 classes. This is our last class on boys. Dear students, today we are going to learn the boys of reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun is a pronoun where the subject and the object refer to the same person or thing, such as himself, herself, myself, yourself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. All are reflexive pronoun. We can change the active voice of a reflexive pronoun by following this structure. At first, we will use the given subject of active voice. Next, we will add a proper helping verb according to the tense and person. Next, we will convert the main verb into verb 3. At last, we will add preposition by before the reflexive pronoun. Dear students, look at the example. Active. She fans herself. As the verb is in present form, so we are going to add the helping verb is. She is fans, and we will turn the verb into verb 3, fanned. She is fanned by herself. Dear students, look at the another example. Active. He killed himself. In this active, the verb was in past form, so our passive is he was killed by himself. Dear students, now we are going to learn voice of quasi-passive. A verb when its usage looks almost passive, however actually its active, is called quasi-passive. There are 2 kinds of quasi-passive verbs. Number 1, quasi-passive with complements. Look at the example. Rice sells cheap. Number 2, quasi-passive verb without complements. Look at the example. The book is printing. We can convert the quasi-passive verb with complement in 2 ways. First one, subject plus complement plus when it is or when they are in case of singular and plural plus verb 3. Look at the example. Honey tastes sweet. Now our passive is honey is sweet when it is tasted. We can convert it into passive by applying the structure 2. Our structure is subject plus to be verb plus be3 plus complements. Now our passive is by applying the structure 2. Honey is tasted sweet. Now we are going to turn quasi-passive without complements into passive. Our structure is subject plus to be verb plus being plus be3. Active. The house is building. By applying the structure, our passive is the house is being built. Dear students, now we are going to learn voice of complex sentence. At the very beginning, we will learn what is complex sentence. A sentence having one main clause and one subordinate clause is known as complex sentence. A subordinate clause gives information about a main clause and is introduced by a conjunction like that, if, what, how, etc. Look at the example. I know what you think. Look at the sentence. There are 2 clauses. I know. It is principal clause or main clause. What you think, it is subordinate clause. It is a subordinate clause because it starts with what. Now we are going to learn how to convert a complex sentence into passive. We can convert a complex sentence into passive in two ways. By using subordinate clause as a subject, or by converting both clauses in passive form. Look at the first example. I know what you think. Here we can convert it by taking subordinate clause as a subject. Then verb. The verb will be singular. When a clause is used as a subject of a sentence, then the verb will always singular. Then B3 of verb. Then we will use a preposition. Last, we will use object of first subject. Now look at our passive. What you think is known to me. We can change it in another way by using introductory it. It is considered as a pronoun of a clause or sentence. Now look at this structure. It plus to be verb plus B3 plus preposition plus object plus subordinate clause. Now our passive is, it is known to me what you think. Look at the another example. He told me what he had done. Our passive is, what he had done was told me by him. Look at the another example. Everybody believes that he will get the prize. Now look at the sentence. Everybody believes. It's the main clause. That he will get the prize. Look at the subordinate clause. It also has an object. If the subordinate clause have an object, then we have to change the both clauses in passive form. Now our passive is, it is believed by everybody that the prize will be got by him. Look at the another example. I know that he will surely come. Here the subordinate clause has no object. In that case, we only change the main clause. Now our passive is, it is known to me that he will surely come. Or we can change it by taking subordinate clause as a subject. That he will come is known to me. Dear students, now we learn the voice of compound sentence. At first we will learn what is compound sentence. A compound sentence is a sentence that has two main or principal clause. Look at the example. They searched his house and found a number of stolen articles. There are two principal clauses and they are connected by the conjunction and. In that case, we will turn the first clause into passive. The conjunction will remain same. Next, we will convert the second clause into passive. Look at our passive. His house was searched and many stolen things were found by them. Dear students, now we will learn an active voice with transitive verb and infinitive. When the structure of active voice is like that. Subject plus determine, decide, demand, agree, urge, arrange, anxious with these verbs plus infinitive plus verb. In that case, we will turn the active into passive by following the structure. Subject of active voice plus verb plus that plus object plus should be plus B3 of verb after infinitive. Now look at the active. He decided to leave the job. Our passive is, he decided that the job should be left. Now we will learn active voice with verb plus gerund. When the structure of active voice like that, subject plus advise or insist or propose or recommend or suggest, these kinds of verb plus gerund. In that case, we will turn the active into passive by following this structure. Subject plus verb of active voice plus that plus object plus should be plus B3 of gerund verb. Look at the active. He suggested giving up smoking. Now our passive is he suggested that smoking should be given up. Dear students, in passive voice we should use with, to, at, in place of by, with, alarm, no, satisfy, please, shock, annoy, surprise, contain, stun, bags, interest, etc. Look at the example. Our active is the boy satisfied us. Now our passive is we were satisfied with the boy. Here we use the preposition with in place of by. Look at another example. His behavior pleased me. Our passive is I was pleased at his behavior. Here we use at in place of by. Look at another example. I know him. He is known to me. Here we use to in place of by. Look at another example. The newspaper contains daily news. Daily news is contained in the newspaper. Here we also used in place of by. Dear students, now look at the some exceptional. Our active is one should keep one's promise. Our passive is a promise should be kept. Look at the another example. Circumstances oblige me to go. Our passive is I was obliged to go. Next example. We can gain nothing without labor. Nothing can be gained without labor. Someone has stolen my purse. Our passive is my purse has been stolen. Next example. He considers me honest. I am considered honest by him. Dear students, it's your homework time. Practice at least 5 voices on each items that have discussed in the class. I tried my best to discuss pros and cons of voice. I hope now you have a clear idea about voice and you will be able to convert any voice easily. Stay at home and remain safe. Keep practicing. Because practice makes a man perfect. I will be back with my class. Take care till then. Bye.